Hello everyone, welcome to shiksha.com. AIBE 2021 registration process is currently underway, and in this video we will show you the complete step-by-step procedure to fill the AIBE registration form. So let's get started. For AIBE registration, first open the official website of the exam, which is allindiabarexamination.com. Once you open the website, click on the AIBE 16 registration link. On clicking the link, you will be redirected to a new page. Read the instructions given on the page carefully and enter your state, enrollment number and enrollment year. Click on the given checkbox and click on the Accept button. Now start filling all the personal details in the AIBE registration form, such as your name, father or husband's name, date of birth, correspondence and permanent address, and educational details related to graduation and post-graduation if pursued. Thereafter, select the state in the bar council of which you are enrolled, enter enrollment number, and select year of enrollment. Click on the Next button. On the next page, select your category, disability if any, and question paper language. Also choose 3 cities in which you would like to give the examination in order of preference. Once done, upload your photograph, signature, self-attested enrollment certificate, and self-attested photo ID in JPG or JPEG format. It may be noted that the file size for photo and signature should be between 10 and 50 KB, and the file size for enrollment certificate and photo ID should be between 50 and 500 KB. Once uploaded, click on the given 2 check boxes and click on the Save button. Your registration form will then be successfully submitted. However, to complete your application, you need to enter the registration ID, password, and OTP code received on your registered email ID and phone number. Thereafter, click on the Submit button. To pay the application fee, click on the Pay Now button and pay the application fee in online mode via credit or debit card or internet banking. It may be noted that those interested can also pay the application fee via bank challan. The AIBE registration fee is Rs 3500 for General and OBC categories and Rs 2500 for SC and ST categories.